What's good, y'all? I'm your man Pierre Allen, coming to you guys with another hot video. In today's video, y'all, we going crazy. I think I'm gonna call today's video Stock Market 101. Let's get it. So we jumping right in. These are the top 7 things that you need to have and know before you think about joining in the stock market. You gotta know this. Number 1, why should you start investing? Number 2, the 5 P's. Number 3, why invest in yourself? Number 4, what is a stock? Number 5, what is the stock market? Number 6, investor versus trader. Number 7, the different trading platforms. Hey, so the first step I wanted to talk about is why it's important to invest. So we all have our own situations, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you want to be wealthy, but just don't know how to get there. And working our 9 to 5 is not going to get us there. Our 9 to 5 is barely paying the bills. So the way that you build wealth is through investments. No matter if it's the stock market, real estate, your own business, whatever it is, you need to have some type of extra grind. Be 2 or 3 of them. There's no limit. But that's how you build wealth. So if you ever want to get out of the rat race, get you a few investments and really go hard and really thrive and really focus on those investments, so you won't be working at 9 to 5 or doing something that you just don't like waking up doing every day. Make sure you're investing in something that's giving you some type of return or building some type of wealth, because us going through this pandemic has really showed us that nothing is guaranteed. We can't put our life in other people's hands and expect them to treat us the way that we want them to. It doesn't work like that. You create your life, you create your wealth. And from now on, I want y'all to create y'all wealth. I want y'all to say it in the comment. I will create my wealth right now. Next, I want to talk about the 5 P's. When I was growing up, these 5 P's, they was important. Like, what? Like, you live by this. This was our Bibles. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. Let's break it down. Proper preparation. Don't go into nothing if you're not prepared. Don't go into nothing blindsided. Why would you set yourself up? Proper preparation means you got a roadmap. Now, it might take you off the road a little bit, but you got a map to steer you back on that road. You should be prepared for anything and everything that you want to do. If you're not prepared, don't think you're going to wake up and life is going to just guide you. You got to put in the work. You determines your life. You guide it. Make sure you're prepared. If you want to make money, make sure you're prepared to make money. Money don't just come to you. You got to learn how to go get money. You got to learn how to have a relationship with money. So when you do have a relationship with money, guess what? Money is coming from everywhere. You have to study money. If you don't study money, you don't know how to get money for real, besides working a job. So you have to make sure that you're properly prepared, okay? Prevents poor performance. That pretty much speaks for itself. If you're not prepared, you'll have bad performance. If you're prepared, it prevents poor performance. So listen, you need to think like that every day. Don't wake up in the morning thinking that, oh, I can get up an hour before I gotta be at work. You ain't prepared. You low-key rushing to work. You rushing to work. No, I'm getting up 4 hours. The first couple hours, I'm gonna get myself together, meditate, whatever I gotta do. After that, I'm gonna do something for myself, because I know I gotta work. And once I go to work, my time is gone. Start your day off with doing something for yourself. Figuring out what it is that you want to do, where you want to go with your life. Please, you guys, proper preparation prevents poor performance. And if you live by that, you're gonna get to wherever you're trying to get to. Trust me, you're gonna get there. So let's get it. I had to go long on that one. The next one is invest in yourself. Now, this is important. Why is this important? Because a lot of us go to work 30, 40, 50, maybe 60 hours a week. When we get paid, we pay all of our bills. And after we pay all of our bills, we got a few dollars left. It ain't enough to invest in something. What I mean by investing in yourself is, and this is the way that life is supposed to work, you're supposed to pay yourself first. You're supposed to give yourself a percentage off the top of your check before you pay any bills. You work for that money. You is important. If don't nobody else show you important, you show you important. So make sure y'all pay yourself first. I don't care if it's $25 a paycheck, 50, 100, 200, it doesn't matter. And then guess what? When you get paid more money, you pay yourself more too. Make sure you got something designated. No matter what, you're gonna pay yourself that every paycheck you get, okay? And then that, I would invest it, but you do what you want with it. But what is a stock, or what is the stock market? So all of these different companies are on the stock market trying to raise money and make their companies bigger. So they're offering us a share, and we can buy as many as we want to. We trade those on the stock market. We buy more on the stock market. Each and every activity you make with that stock or any other stock will be on the stock market. We're gonna dive deeper into that. I'm gonna have a whole video just on that, so be looking out for that. Investor versus trader. Like really think about that, because an investor and a trader are two different things. An investor is somebody that, oh, I found a good company, let me put my money and let it sit here, and I don't care what it do, because I ain't touching it for 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 30, 40, 50 years. That's an investor. An investor, they let their money sit. A trader is somebody that's in the market every day. You get in, whether you day trading or swing trading. Let me break those down. Day trading, they buy that day, they sell that day. They in and out. Swing traders, you do it a few days, a few weeks. You know what I'm saying? You don't do it all in one day. But you gotta know whether you want to be a trader or an investor, and those are, two different categories. So please look into that. Do your due diligence, do some research. I'm gonna have a video on that just alone, but I'm just putting these out there because I want you guys to start to educate yourself, because that's what we gotta do. That's what we gotta do. And anytime you want to make money, it just ain't gonna come. You gotta educate yourself on how to get there. So that's what we're gonna do. The next one, there's different platforms. I'm gonna put a couple of them down below, but decide which platform you guys want to go on. Webull, you can trade after hours, before hours, but there's other ones like TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, Schwab, and even Robinhood. Just to remind y'all again, I am not a financial advisor or fiduciary. Did I say that right? Alright y'all, so that's pretty much it, but I do want to say the stock market is for everybody. No matter if you got a job paying $8 an hour, everybody can have a position, and I want y'all to know that, because we need to go crazy. We need to get this money, and we need to have multiple sources of income while we get this money. So come on y'all, we got this. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Please, if you got something out of this video, stop what you're doing right now. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I can't wait to the next video. Peace.